Hello, everybody. Today we're going to do a daily oral language sentence. I'm going to ask you to do two things. One, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to copy down the sentence that you're going to see in a second on your screen. It's going to be all messed up, grammar, spelling, syntax, punctuation. A lot of things are wrong. They're all going to jump off at you and say, oh my God, this sentence is messed up. What I'm going to ask you to do is to please copy down that sentence on a piece of paper exactly as you see it. In other words, with all those mistakes. Then we're going to go over it. I'm going to show you how to fix it, and then I'm going to ask you to copy it down correctly, and I will show you the correct sentence as well, and you can copy it right from there. So at the end of every day's daily oral language exercise, you will have two sentences, the sentence wrong and the sentence correct. I'm going to ask you to take a picture of your work and send it to me each day so that I can give you credit for having done so. Excellent. So let's do this now. First thing you're going to see when I open this up is the sentence. Now, you are going to see that this sentence is very wrong. Please take a moment to copy it down exactly as you see it. It says, yesterday the following things gone wrong. My computer didn't boot up, the mouse were broken, and my mail wouldn't download. Please pause it right now. Take a couple of minutes to copy it down. Okay, so let's fix this sentence. First thing I'm going to do is go in and I'm going to find myself a color. I'm going to go with red so that you can easily see this. So let's fix this right here. Now, taking a look at this first sentence, the first part of the sentence, excuse me, it's called yesterday the following things gone wrong. Clearly we have to capitalize yesterday. So let's do that right now. It's the beginning of our sentence, so it needs to be capitalized. As I'm moving on down the line, I see a misspelled word. Do you see it? Yes, it's following. Let's add an L to follow. So yesterday the following things gone wrong. Now, since we have a plural here in things, we can't say that things gone wrong. No. Things went wrong. So let's fix gone to went. Okay, so yesterday the following things went wrong. Semicolon. My computer didn't boot up, the mouse was broken, and my mail wouldn't download. Okay. It seems to me that a lot of students over the years, my 20 years of teaching, OMG, never really know what a semicolon is until I teach it to them. I'm going to tell you right now, a semicolon is simply a fancy period. We will work more on that in the future, but for today, let's take a look at this. A fancy period. It's just a period that makes you look fancy. Do I need a period here? Let's see. Yesterday, the following things went wrong. Period. No, see, that's the end of the sentence. This is one long sentence. In fact, I'm making a list. So rather than a semicolon to make a list, we use a regular colon, which is just the dot. So let's fix that right there. So yesterday, the following things went wrong. My computer didn't boot up, the mouse were broken, and my mail wouldn't download. So I have 3 items in my list. How do I separate list items? With commas. So my computer didn't boot up, comma, the mouse were broken, comma, and my mail wouldn't download. Let's put a period at the end of that sentence. Excellent. Okay, so taking a look at my list items, my computer didn't boot up. There's a couple of things wrong with that. First of all, this is not a new sentence. This is a continuation of yesterday the following things went wrong. So decapitalize my. Excellent. Let's do that. Computer looks right. Now didn't. This is a contraction, right? I'm putting 2 words together. What 2 words am I putting together? Did not. Let's read it out and make sure that works. My computer did not boot up. That is correct. So let's put our apostrophe up there. Excellent. My computer didn't boot up, comma. The mouse were broken. Now, clearly mouse is misspelled. Let's fix that. The mouse. And now, since we're talking about just one thing, you can't say it were broken. It was broken. So let's fix were to was. So the mouse was broken, comma, and my mail wouldn't download. Fix mail, M-I-L, A-I-L. Let's fix it to the right form of mail, right? And then again, we have another contraction. So we're going to put would not download. Let's put our apostrophe between the N and the T. That wouldn't download. And clearly download is misspelled. So it'd be L-O-A-D. So let's take a look at our sentence. Yesterday, the following things went wrong. Colon. My computer didn't boot up, comma. The mouse was broken, comma. And my mail wouldn't download, period. Excellent. I think we have everything. So let's take a look. Let's bring it down. And let's see if we got everything correct. So yesterday, the following things went wrong. Colon. My computer didn't boot up, comma. The mouse was broken, comma. And my mail wouldn't download. That looks pretty good. Make sure you please pause this screen right now so you can get this down correctly. And then at the end of this exercise, you will have two things for me. One, the sentence wrong and the sentence right. Basically, what I'm showing you here, the wrong sentence, and then underneath it, the right sentence, that's what I need to see on your paper or on your computer screen. Thank you very much. Let's turn off our recording.